right, guys, they getting it ready for us. Thanksgiving. Center aisle, you're getting all the Thanksgiving displays up. Okay. Now I will get some Jiffy mix for 50 cents. You know, I got mad when he went up. You know, I'm used to getting 4 for $1. You know, I'm old school. So 50 cents, all right. Kids love my dressing, so. Let me get 4. Let's see. Cranberry sauce, $2.47.
And the soup is $1.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some of those.
I know, I already got one.
Alright, so I got. Let me get 6. Let me see, that's get some stovetop stuffing. I'll pass on that. Let me get some cream of elbow macaroni, 98 cents. That mac and cheese. Let me get some cream of chicken. I got Kroger brand for $1 a few weeks ago. Let me get Campbell's. Let me get this. I don't do cream of mushroom. So that's $1. Let's see what's going on over here. Yes, yes, $1 for the evaporated milk. Yes, $1. These are things we can already have in the pantry, so you don't have to do everything at the last minute, you know?